Welcome to Casual Cooking's channel. Now the current location is Huaqiangbei North, 12 p.m. We'll go to the legendary Ghost Market. There is no ghost there, but there are some very weird products. Let's go. According to the map instructions, walk from exit B of Huaqiang Road Station to Ghost Market, about 15 minutes. Why is it called a ghost market? Because the business hours are from late night to before sunrise. It is the time when ghosts appear. That's why it's called a ghost market. Mainly sells replica products. Hong Kong people say these products are fake, such as handbags, watches, etc. There are many people in front. It should be tonight's destination. Huaqiangbei Ghost Market. A little nervous. I don't know if I will be scolded. If filming is not allowed, forget it. You said it many times. Take photos if allowed. I won't take pictures of snacks. What do you think of crafting? I don't quite know. Do these brands produce these styles? There should be, right? This is a wireless charging stand. The appearance is very beautiful. You can see the parts inside. This is for cars. It is moving. So exquisite. Why does it move? Because it has a sensor. Put the object on it and it will open automatically. Very funny. These products cannot be photographed. 好的，好的。Can I take photos? Can. The small size is 80. Medium and large sizes are both 100. This is 60. How much does this cost? 80. Here you can buy a complete set of accessories for socialite. Haha. These styles are suitable for mature ladies. Retro style, beautiful colors. The workmanship is very exquisite. Not crudely made. The production is very professional. I'm not familiar with designer handbags. Cloth-covered handbags are more difficult to distinguish between genuine and fake. You have to compare it with genuine products to know the authenticity. This material is very soft. Wow. Sharp. Imitated very much like the original. This style is for placing hats. How much does this cost? Can't hear. 260. The stitching are very neat. Doesn't look like a cheap product. There are slippers. The materials used are not bad. Not bad workmanship. Can I take photos? Yes, but don't take pictures of the clerk's face. Okay. Clear. Is there a G-Shock? How much? 630. Very beautiful. What about this? 560. Wow. Many styles. The price is very cheap. It only costs $200 to $300, and you can buy it as a school bag. Haha, I don't know much about watches. I just want to learn more about them. The audience should be most interested in knowing the price of a replica Rolex, right? This is the most imitated style. Yes. Top quality imitations, 1-to-1 production. The machine core is also better. Oh, The core of the watch is also relatively high-end. This green one has to wait in line for several years at a dedicated store to buy it. How much? 3,000. These two are the same model, but the core is different. This one is heavier. The one on the left is cheaper. Luminous materials are different. The biggest difference is the core. The luminous materials of the two models are different. This is the sapphire surface. This is a device for testing hardness. The surface is scratch resistant. Audiences want to know the lowest price. Can be a few $100s cheaper. Negotiable. Open it and you can see the machine model number. All these details are there. These have certificates. All have certificates. The shop owner asked for $3,000, but you could bargain for a few hundred cheaper. Only professionals know how to tell the difference between true and false. Ordinary citizens may not know how to distinguish. Scarf. There are hair dryers for sale. Test its wind power. Wow, the wind is very strong. How much is this? 138. Has British plug. Oh, because many Hong Kong people come to buy. Can I take photos? Can. High quality goods. Many styles. Eye-opening, everything is there. Bread is also available. AirPods, second generation, 3 generations, second generation Pro. This is the third generation. This is the second generation of AirPods Pro. After visiting Huaqiangbei Ghost Market, I open. All famous brand products on the market can be purchased here. Of course, these are all fakes. Just let everyone watch them. Don't you think you can buy the real thing at this price? That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe and click the notification button. Never miss video updates. Thank you for watching.